The Farbike brand is dedicated in facilitating boundless discovery. We have envisioned our bike being utilized by multitude scenarios, from daily commutes, trips to the supermarket, and your gatherings with your friends in the park and outdoor activities during your holidays. With versatility, Farbike seamlessly integrates into scene involving the children, as it serves a reliable mode of transport to various types of goods. We also aim our bike to cater for every member of your family, from teenagers to parents and even grandparents, regardless of the riding scene or the riding group. We hope that Farbike provides an experience that embodies and enriches life and fosters boundless discovery to all those who ride it. Visit our website www.farbike.com for more detailed information. Until next time, bye-bye.